Imagine that you are working in AWS and you are migrating your local infrastructure to the cloud, or you are building a huge application on AWS and you have thousands of instances. You have relational database or normal database, you have many buckets S3, you have a terrific VPC network, and you look at all of this and say, that's beautiful, things are working. But after a few days you notice that costs are getting high and you start like having questions about if everything is okay. And this is you. You came to AWS and deployed all the configurations, all the services, you configured everything, you migrate stuff, and then you need to check if EC2 instances are working, if they are like in a secure way, if relational database is having a good performance, if the bucket S3 have the correct permissions, if you granted like correct permissions on IAM. So you probably will miss something. That's totally normal, don't be upset. So this is a big problem because you will like spend too much time reviewing all of this. But again, AWS came up with a big solution that will help you out. I now present you with AWS Trusted Advisor. The Trusted Advisor is a AWS support tool that will check all your infrastructure at AWS and see if it's correctly configured, if it's like deploying secure, or if you apply security, if permissions are working, if EC2 instances are like costing too much, and for the service that you are running here you could like save money, if the relational database have security, if the performance is okay. So after you deploy all of these, it can be more service or less services. I just created this image to explain you better. AWS Trusted Advisor will check all of these assets against a best practice guidelines that AWS has, and will create a report for you. So AWS Trusted Advisor is that tool that you will use at least to see if core checks, if core services are well configured, are secure, are in a performance, and this kind of stuff. Also, Trusted Advisor can check for fault tolerance in your infrastructure and provide you with guidelines in order to fix that. Okay? Now I'm going to show you all of the functionality that you can use the Trusted Advisor in the next topic. Okay? I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.